Today, we are going to explore land animals. Each animal has its own name, shape, and way of living. Let's watch together. First, this is a goat. Goats often live on farms or in the mountains. They like to eat grass, leaves, and climb on high places. Next, this is a buffalo. Buffaloes often live near fields, ponds, and muddy places. They are very strong and can help farmers work in the fields. This is a mouse. Mice have small bodies and can run very fast. They often live in holes, grass, or near places with food. This is a cow. Cows often live on farms. They eat grass and can give us milk. This is a lion. Lions live in grasslands and often stay in groups. They are very strong and are called the king of animals. Next, this is a leopard. Leopards often live in forests or grasslands. They are good at climbing trees and usually hunt alone. This is a cat. Cats often live with people in homes or gardens. They like to run, climb, and catch mice. Next, this is a rhinoceros. Rhinos have big bodies and thick skin. They often live in grasslands and like to eat grass and leaves. This is a rabbit. Rabbits have long ears and can hop very fast. They often live in burrows and like to eat vegetables, grass, and carrots. Next, this is a pig. Pigs often live on farms. They like to eat, sleep, and use their noses to find food. This is a wild boar. Wild boars live in forests and have sharp tusks. They often use their snouts to dig for food. Next, this is a horse. Horses have 4 long legs and can run very fast. They often live in grasslands or on farms. This is a one-horned rhinoceros. It has one large horn on its nose. One-horned rhinos often live near grasslands, open forests, and water. Next, this is an elephant. Elephants have long trunks and big ears. They often live in groups and use their trunks to drink water and pick up food. This is a hippopotamus. Hippos like to live near rivers, lakes, and swamps. They often stay in water during the day and eat grass at night. This is an antelope. Antelopes have slim bodies and quick legs. They often live in grasslands and can run fast to escape predators. Finally, this is an elephant. Elephants are gentle, smart, and have great memories. They live with their families and take good care of each other. Today, we learned about many land animals. Some live on farms, some live in forests, and some like to stay near water. Which animal do you like the most? See you in the next video!